Hi everyone, welcome to ABCD of Drawing. In this series, I teach you how to draw flowers in simple step-by-step method. In this video, we are going to learn how to draw Nemesias. First, we are going to draw an oval shape and then we will draw a line at the center of it. Now we will draw two oval shapes at the center. Now we will draw one big petal in the lower half like this, and then we will draw 4 petals on the upper half. Now we will draw some lines in our petals emerging from the center. And our flower is complete. Now let's draw the side view. For the side view also we will draw an oval shape, but this time it will be a little more elongated than the previous one. Now we will divide it into 2 parts. Now we will draw 2 kidney beans like shape at the center. Then we will draw one big leaf at the lower half. And now we will draw 4 smaller leaves in the upper half. Just some final touches. And our flower is complete. Let's draw one more flower. This time it will be a little more towards the left. That's it guys, we just learned how to draw Nemesia flower. Now let's apply what we have just learned into an actual illustration. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. I hope it was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is artwithsonam. And I'll see you later. Bye bye.